I'm Sai Tech and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So finally friends, the iQOO Z3 got launched in India in the Amazon for about 20,990 as you can clearly see friends. But I did order my device about 16,240 rupees. Yes friends, I did get a phone for about 16,240 rupees. I'll try to explain how I got the mobile phone for about 16,240 rupees as well. So just yesterday I did post a video on which phone to buy, iQOO Z3 or Poco M3 or OnePlus 9, and a lot of users they did respond to that video asking me to buy the iQOO Z3 device. And finally I did order my iQOO Z3 as you can clearly see friends, purchased. So that is the reason why I was not uploaded any video for the past 1 hour. So this is the reason I did order my mobile phone, and the phone will be arriving maybe soon, maybe 10 to 13 in between as you can see friends clearly. Let me try to show you how I got the mobile phone for about 16,240 rupees. As you can see friends, this is my total order which I got, so 16,140. So I did apply for the exchange. So let me try to break down the price, how much it is right now. So initially the price was about, as you can see friends, 20,990, which is a 8GB RAM variant which I ordered. So for this you do get the Amazon 1000 discount, which all the users can apply for the Amazon's 1000 discount. And next thing, you do have the ICICI Bank 1,500 rupees credit card. If you try to use, you'll get the 1,500 rupees discount. As you can see friends, that is what I did use. So thanks to my friend where I was able to get the ICICI Bank credit card, and I did pay using that one, and that is the reason why it got discounted. And next is exchange value, which is a minus 2,350. So you might be wondering which phone I did for the exchange. So there's my old phone which I'm not using for the past I think 3 to 4 years. It's been lying around, which is a LETV, which is a Lead 2 model which I did offer for the exchange price. So overall the complete phone was really great, but the phone is really very laggy, so no one is trying to use the phone at all, even in my house. So that's what I thought of applying for the exchange, so maybe I can buy some other useful mobile phone for you all. So in this way my price got down to 16,140, and the extra 100 rupees was I need to pay for the exchange value, which is applicable for the pickup and drop service if you try to choose the exchange. So really I'm very much excited friends to use this phone iQOO Z3, mainly because to compare with the Realme Xon Max. Not only with this, I need to compare with my big brother, which is the iQOO 7 device. Where is the iQOO 7 device? Let me get that phone. I think it is a iQOO 7 device. As you can see, I need to compare with the small brother versus big brother in terms of the performance wise, in the speed test comparison, all those details. So that is the reason, and thank you for all your support in terms of and encouraging me in terms of uploading more and more videos on the iQOO 7 device. So that is the reason I was able to do 200 videos within 20 days of time, and all the videos which are requested by most of the users. That is the reason I was able to do so many videos. So thank you for following me friends. So definitely I'll do my best to post as much as reviews as possible, and all the reviews as you know, all I'll be buying my mobile phones, and none of them will be sponsored, and none of them are the review units, and which are actually retail units only. So that in that way I will be able to give you my honest thoughts and impressions about the mobile phone. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. And don't forget to comment below under this video, as soon as I get the phone, what are the different comparisons you want me to do on this particularly iQOO Z3 mobile phone. There are two things which I'm really excited. One is a green tint issue, and next is connectivity issue, 4G plus. That is another thing. I know you all will be you will be definitely commenting in the below. So that is the thing which I'll be trying to check regarding the 4G plus support and Wi-Fi connection, all those details. That is my first focus. As soon as I get this iQOO Z3 device, I'll try to test those. So let's see whether the small brother got improvement when compared with the big brother or not. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more upcoming videos which I'm going to put on the Realme Xon Max, because Realme Xon Max has got some kind of heating issues which is going on. I need to do a separate review on this phone particularly, which I'll be testing now. So thank you for you all, and as you all asked, I did order my phone. So thank you for all your support friends, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.